Hello everyone, how to import PST file in new Outlook. So let's start. First open your new Outlook and go to the right hand side and click on this gear icon settings option, and you can see new Outlook setting is open. Then go to the left hand side and click on the files option. In files, Outlook data files import and export option. Just click on the import, and here in import the first option Outlook data file.pst. So you can import an Outlook data file PST to your mailbox currently. Only mail items can be imported. Okay. After that, just click on the get start, and here the one dialog box is open, import from Outlook data file to import. Click on the select file, and here you can see my PST file dot pst. Select it and click on open, and that's it. The folder to import the pnd text zone, and these are the data is importing. Click on the next. If you don't want to include the subfolder, just select this option. So I select this and click on the next. Then here the one more option, how do you want to handle the duplicate item? If you want to skip, just select the skip. Keep both, select the keep both, and here the replace option you can select also. Okay, I'll just select here keep both and then click on the next and choose the destination folder. So I select the email address, my Outlook. Okay, and click on the import, and that's it. Import in progress. Wait for the few seconds. Import your data in your Outlook. So here you can see in the left hand side inbox, you can see your mail count is increasing. You can see 244, 45, 46. It means data is importing in your Outlook, and it's done. You can see the 52 email is felt to import. Just click on this drop down arrow and you can check here the all details also, and it's done. Okay, your data is imported in your Outlook. So hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.